Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the iron hook for cracks, bends, and corrosion. Mark 1/2 inch from either end of any crack so you know your repair limits. Use a wire brush and penetrating oil to expose the metal. Clamp the hook in a bench vise to stabilize it. Once clamped, tap the bent area lightly with a hammer to see if it moves. This tells you whether straightening or welding is required and sets the next step. Once you've decided to repair, heat the affected area evenly to a dull red to reduce brittleness and relieve stress. This makes straightening safe. You then reshape with controlled hammer blows on an anvil or shaped support, keeping the hook's curvature and load path intact. If a weld is required, tack first, then run short, controlled beads to avoid overheating. Grind weld toes smooth and blend transitions to prevent stress risers, because sharp changes concentrate cracks. Finish by cooling appropriately. Normalize if the alloy needs it. Then file and sand all transitions, removing any sharp edges that concentrate stress. Apply a rust inhibitor or high adhesion paint to prevent corrosion. Make sure to load test the hook with a known weight, ideally 1.5 times the rated load for a short period, to verify integrity. If it deforms or you detect cracking, reheat and rework only once. Otherwise, replace the hook. Hidden micro cracks are the most common failure cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.